are going to love 2015 Cherokee. The Jeep Cherokee offers superior off-road capability. This makes the Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, power liftgate, power mirrors, traction control system, daytime running lights, fog lights, luggage rack, backup camera, audio radio, touchscreen display, auxiliary audio input. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.